Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is to have a Robinhood account. And you can either use your application or the mobile app or the website. And from the Robinhood, as we can see in what we offer tab, we can find the invest, increase the crypto retirement and other features or some other uh, investments. So basically, if you want to invest, so you can start trading your trading stocks, etc. We can just go here, and we need just to go to the Robinhood, and we can start uh, going to our account. And basically, all we need to do is to have your account. So here we have this credit card called card, etc. And there is also this Robinhood Legend. And Robinhood Legend is just a more futuristic or modern, robust interface of Robinhood, and basically you can start using it. So basically here in the what we offer, there is invest, and here you can start trading stocks and trading other things like the stocks here in the invest. And from here, as you can see, you can start trading your stocks, and you can buy and sell any stocks you would like. So after that, you will be needing, for example, just to click on get started. You start adding your informations normally, and you finish creating your account, and simply you can start uh, creating or start depositing funds to your account. You can link your uh, Robinhood account to your bank account, so you can transfer funds and you can start trading your stocks and other features, and you can start using all the features of Robinhood. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.